need a financial plan. What you really need is financial planning. Hi, this is Neeta Menezes, founder and CEO of Financially Smart. Welcome to my channel, Smart Life with Neeta, where we help make the complex simple and help you lead a life of clarity and confidence by taking smart and informed decisions. Last week, a successful entrepreneur, Mr. Sharma, approached me for some guidance on his portfolio and investments. When I inquired how he has been taking his financial decisions till date, he said he had a 40-page detailed plan made by a certified financial planner 2 years ago, and also a 2-page plan that he had downloaded from a digital advisory platform. On looking at the plan and his current portfolio, I found no sync in what was advised and what was implemented. Even the funds recommended and the asset allocation of the funds in his portfolio were completely different. As per his risk appetite, he was recommended 60% equity and 40% debt. But currently, he was on 85% equity and 15% debt. He mentioned that the investments recommended by the planner was not performing well, and hence he had referred to Value Research and some of the free online platforms and Money Control and switched to some of the top performing funds a year back. Now, with the markets at an all-time low and businesses shutting down due to the pandemic, the COVID-19 virus, he was in need of some money for his employees' salaries and the business liabilities. His daughter's wedding was planned for the end of the year, and he wanted me to advise him on his investments accordingly. As per the detailed plan, he was asked to keep aside 9 to 12 months of his expenses as a contingency fund. But he said he had not required it then, as he had some amount of cash holdings and so had invested the same in some stocks based on the insider tip received by his school friend who shared it with him during his morning walk. He was asked to surrender around 5 unit-linked insurance policies, and he said that he had already paid 2 years of premium, so was not very comfortable to book the losses then. I went on to inquire about his risk appetite, his risk management plan. If he had purchased the term life cover of 10 crores recommended and the health insurance cover of 20 lakhs for all his family members, including himself. To which he said he had gone for the medical tests for the health insurance. And since his BP and sugar readings showed on the border, he decided to come back, join a gym, get fit, take the necessary medication, and then go for the medicals at a later date. In short, he never got time as he continued to be busy and postponed the same. I asked him why did he take the financial plan if he had no intention of following it. He said by getting the financial plan, he had an idea how he was doing and what he needed to do. He felt he could do it himself and he wanted to save costs and said some guidance of the one he was seeking from me would help him get on track. So what you want is just a financial plan and don't want financial planning, I asked. He looked baffled and asked, are they not the same? What's the difference? So what is the difference between a financial plan and a financial plan and financial planning? It is similar to going to a diagnostic center, getting a full health checkup done, and then going to a doctor and just asking him to guide you, which is sometimes included in the package itself, and not following the advice, and then doing a checkup after 2 years again. I told him, Mr. Sharma, you do not need just a financial plan. But what you need more is financial planning. A financial plan is a mere document, whilst financial planning is a 6-step detailed process as per the Certified Financial Planning Standards Board (CFP). Do check my next video to know more about the difference between a financial plan and financial planning, and to understand the 6-step process of financial planning. Do click on the subscribe button and the bell so that you get the information and don't miss the next videos. Do share this video and your valuable comments and feedback, my friends. Wishing you a safe and secure, financially smart life. Be financially smart.